Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Epix here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the smoothest landing ever. The most butterest landing ever. Alright, so right now we're at Perth. We're going to slow down. We want to maintain around 30,000, or 30% throttle. Well, right now I just got in the air and unrealistically took off, but we're going to try and maintain 30% throttle, maybe even 30, 40. It just depends on the capabilities of your aircraft and whatever, but you want to try and keep just above your landing speed by like 30 knots when approaching. So when approaching, that's very simple. We're going to actually accelerate to 40%. And the best way to get the best landing is to be in third person and have cam locked on. You just turn on X to get into the position I'm in, and I'll keep it there. We're going to turn it up to 50% because we need to have this. Alright, so we have advanced mode, cam lock on, all we need. Now you're just going to make subtle movements to the right, and you're going to align your airplane. You can use rudder by A and D. Here, you're going to just keep going down towards the runway. I'm a little high. You can use those pappy lights. White on white means you're too high, and one red, 3 white mean you're too low, and red on red means you're dead. So you're going to slowly flare. You're going to put the plane right down. Let the nose gear down. And yeah, that's the way to do the best landing you can. You can perfect it. I didn't necessarily try and do the perfecting part, but I put it down on the ground. The plane didn't snap, no bouncing. So that's what I want to see. And I got the best result that I was attempting to get. And yeah. So if you want to try and master this, you just have to make sure you flare, get the right speeds exactly for the aircraft that you're going to be flying. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe. We have a goal of 50 subs by February 19th. If we can make it, we're cool. We're cool mans. And if we can't, we'll get it sooner. Sooner or later, we will. But if we can hit that goal, guys, that would be really nice and greatly appreciated. Bye!